Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I'm Ibrahim Baraka Dole. So today I'm gonna be showing you three websites in Liberia that is reliable when it comes to posting up job vacancy. So before we can go through, I'm pleading with you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, click on the notification button so that whenever any new video come out, you will be able to get it. So like I said, once again, subscribe. So we're going to run straight into it, right? So the first website that you can think of when it comes to giving up job vacancy in Liberia is eMansion. So let's start with eMansion first. So I want you to understand that I know there are so many of us who still get that old thinking of holding fire, you know, to be going from one place to another in search of job. But technology has just made it much more advanced than that. That you can stay right at the comfort of your home and be able to apply for a job. All you need to do is to uh, equip yourself so that you can be qualified for whatever job that is going to be coming your way, because every job that will come always be having a, a qualification, like a working experience and that of your document. And mainly in every job is the job is your working experience. So you should work on that first, and if all of that done, so these are the websites that are going to actually allows you to get a job in this country. This is it. So you first you have is job vacancy. You have my job getter. So my job getter is one of the websites that will give you access of applying to jobs. So like people who also have a company and they want to like post job and they thinking where to go, so you can go to Liberia HR job, or you can go to eMansion vacancy and all of that. So with that you'll be able to post whatever job that other people who are out there seeking job can also be able to get it. So I also urge you to register with LinkedIn. So our next video going to be teaching you on how to create an account with LinkedIn and how to find a job on LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is a platform that when you create it, you put all of your documents, you put all of your information. So immediately you see the job that that match your qualification, you just go right on the same LinkedIn, you just click it and you apply right there instead. So it will help you be all of that. So my next video I'm going to be coming up on how we operate with LinkedIn so that we can get more details on how we can be able to create our account and how we can be able to set up our entire platform linking, so that immediately we see the job vacancy we'll be able to apply for it. So let's go into eMansion. So this is eMansion Liberia. eMansion Liberia have several vacancies. So as you can see, for now the amount of vacancies that eMansion has is about 25 vacancies that eMansion have currently. And like some of you who may be a female who want to work to hotel, Farmington Hotel is also looking for a receptionist. So this is the job vacancy that Farmington Hotel has put up for a receptionist. And they say you should be a high school graduate, you should have 2 years of working experience, should be like a highly organized person, you should be fluent in English because you're going to be dealing with more people. You should have that good manner of approach so that you can be able to meet the qualifications. So I don't think that they make it really hard for people now to be able to apply, especially when they say high school graduate and you should just have some of these things and at least be a computer literate in everything you do. Fight hard to be a computer literate, learn computers, so that because nowadays with the dream I have for this country is a few years to come we're going to be based more into technology, where even the cash we're not going to be moving with cash, we'll be moving our various wallet, our various ATM card. Okay, so so this is the eMansion, and this is some of the vacancy that eMansion have. So let me run quickly into it. So these are various vacancies that you might have, and you can apply to any one of the vacancy, and with your qualification you will be choose for that job. Then the second job is Liberia HR job board. So the Liberia HR job board is also a job board that also give out put up vacancy. So for the Liberia HR job board, you can also create an account with the Liberia HR job board. Like you can see, this is my account, Abraham Dolly. In with that, you can be able to upload your CV and put more information on this site about yourself, so that immediately the vacancy come. Let's say for example, I want to apply. Let's just an example, right? Okay, I want to apply for the distribution channel. I click on distribution channel. So as I already have my account, everything set on Liberia HR job board, uh I go through all of what they need, the qualification and all of that, right? I come to apply for this job. When I come to apply for the job, all they want me to do is to be able to write a cover letter to paste in here. And when I write that cover letter to paste in here, I already have my CV here, right? My CV is already here, so I'll only be able to put cover letter, because the reason you have to keep putting cover letter is because you have different vacancies that you're going to be applying for, but your CV will remain constant. So with that, I can be able to tap it or copy from my Microsoft and paste it here, so that I can be able to apply for this job. And when I click apply, it go directly to the Liberia HR job board, and it's been sent to the uh the company who put up the vacancy. They will go through it and be able to choose the best candidate and send you email or call you to go for an interview. So the Liberia HR job board is also one of a reliable platform that you can be able to post your job, is vacancies. One reliable platform that you can also come on to be able to apply for a job. So we have a whole lot of vacancy, a whole lot of job. Also, I'm going to be going through those platforms to teach you on how you can be able to set up your own account, how you can be able to update, how you can be able to set your account, so that if a job come on up that you know is on your credential, well, you can be notified, and with that you can go directly in. You can stay right on your phone, you apply for that job. So once again, I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification button, so that our new video that's going to be coming out, you're going to be part of this, right? So not to go into much, I today we're going to stop on this too, right? Okay, so like I was talking of linking, let me carry you to my linking account so that you can see what I'm talking about. So this is my linking account, Abraham B. Dolly. So with this linking account, you will see that you have home, you have my network, you have jobs, you have messaging. So like me being a CEO in front of Eagle Cleaning Service Liberia, this is my platform here, and with this platform also being created here. So even if I want to post a job, I have a job vacancy I want to post, I can post it right from this particular platform. So with this, you have whole lot of job vacancies. So you got like digital marketing manager is a vacancy that is out, right? It was out 8 minutes ago. Digital marketing manager, store management, you know, also educator, administrative associate, director of program. So these are all vacancies that you can see here. There are more vacancies. Like for now, they just have 8 new vacancies that were posted from Liberia. So we gave you the avenue to be able to apply. So the next shoot I'm going to come out is to be able to tell you how you can really set up your account on this job board, so that immediately a vacancy, you see your vacancy, you can be able to apply. So let's take for example now for this chief marketing officer. If I want to apply for chief marketing officer from this particular website, well, I don't need any kind of headache. I just click on it, click on apply, and with that I can be able to apply for it. So thank you very much for following. Once again, I will say I'm Abraham Dolly, and